and he checked. So the nicotine percentage even there in the stem, even there in the root, everywhere nicotine is there, but percentage is less, but it is there. So he has developed one simple boiling technique so that the nicotine can be extracted. So instead of throwing out, what he did is said his farmer, so you can collect anywhere, so I will collect it. It is free of cost. So that he can collect it and he extract the nicotine from that and he is supplying to the pharmacy industries. That nicotine, the raw nicotine, whatever he extract, not purified. Okay. He is supplying to the industry. You cannot believe now he is having a company. Okay. He is earning minimum 8 to 10 lakhs per month. So that he also start giving money to farmers also, who will bring the stem and everything. His name is Burgesh. Okay, if you want, we will give all the details. You know, this is how, and also he is empowered around 20 laborers. In his factory, he kept 20 laborers. Now he said that he wanted to start his own company. Where the nicotine is used? If you see de-addiction, okay? If someone is having addicted to the nicotine, cigarette and all, you know, Nicotex and all tablets, capsules, chewing-gum will come. What does that contain? That also contain nicotine. Okay? Then you would have asked what is the, how the person will quit. If you smoke, you will also get the nicotine, and if you chew, then also you will get the nicotine. How it can be prevented? Because the nicotine is not a culprit to cause the cancer. The cancer is caused by not nicotine. It is caused by tar, right? The carbon material, the tar which present in cigarette, all smokes and tobacco. That makes a carcinogenic, right? So when a person wants to, when an addicted person wanted to smoke or he want to chew the tobacco, when his nicotine level in the blood decreases. When the nicotine level in the blood decreases, it gives a signal to the brain he wanted to do the smoke or he want to chew the tobacco, right? At that time, if you supply the nicotine in the form of chewing-gum or something, his urge will be decreased. Okay, so I am giving just one example. Like that, there is a plenty of opportunity you have around you. So during the COVID time, so what is the very much scarcity? During the pandemic, there is the scarcity, no? Oxygen. There is a oxygen scarcity everywhere. Heard or not? So many are died because of oxygen. You know, oxygen is also one of the medicine. It comes under Pharmacy Act. How many of you know? It is also our right. Oxygen also